From pain to smile, a journey of healing, hope, and renewed strength.
Hi, I'm Richard A. Dumagkang, 42 years old from the Philippines. I came here in Canadian Specialist Hospital with a diagnosis of flu-like symptoms and yellowish discoloration, jaundice with fever, and undergo medications for almost 16 days of antibiotics. Now I'm feeling better and thankful for the HDU nurses and personnel and the doctors who take care of me from my hospitalizations up to now. Thank you for them for cooperating and giving me the best care I experienced.